Good afternoon, students. In continuation of last video, we discussed about the rules for the writing of organic molecule, name of the organic molecule. Okay, in previous videos I discussed about the IUPAC nomenclature of various molecules. Okay, already I gave the one principle. What is that? Prefix. Okay, good word. Okay, primary suffix and secondary suffix. This is the rule principle for the writing of name of an organic molecule. Okay, here we'll see the rules how we write the name of organic molecule by using those words: prefix, root word, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay, first rule. Here first rule, an important rule: longest carbon chain. Longest carbon chain. While writing the name of organic molecule, okay, we have the number of chains. Number of chains are present in. Okay, number of carbon chains present in organic molecule. But we should select one carbon chain, longest carbon chain, and give the root word and give the proper root word. Okay, for example, here I am taking CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the one organic. This is the one carbon molecule. Here we have the one chain. Here we have one more chain. Like this. This chain contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Straight chain contains 6 carbon atoms. Okay, this chain contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Here we should select which has longest. Here we should select which has longest and give the proper root word. Give the proper root word. Which is longest? Here this straight chain contains 6 carbon atoms. Okay, this Z shape contains 5 carbon atoms. Okay, so straight chain is the longest carbon chain than this Z-shaped longest carbon chain. Z-shaped carbon chain. So you select this straight chain and give the proper root word. That means, okay, here 6 carbon atoms present in a carbon chain. So use X. The root word for this one is X only. This is the backbone of the organic molecule. Okay, this is the important one, backbone of the organic molecule. Okay, here I am taking one more. Okay, this is the one carbon molecule. Okay, this is the one carbon molecule. Here we have the number of carbon atoms. Different chains, we have the different chains. This is the one chain. Okay, this is the one more chain. And this is the one more chain. It contains 3 chains. Okay, here for this type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this type we have 6 carbon atoms. In straight 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In straight we have 7 carbon atoms. You take this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This chain contains 9 carbon atoms. That means this molecule contains 3 types of chains. Okay, one chain contains 6 carbon atoms, other chain contains 7 carbon atoms, one more chain contains 9 carbon atoms. Which is longest? You can choose only that one and give the number. Remaining all carbon atoms considered as a substance. Remaining all atoms considered as a substance here. Substance. Okay, here which is longest? Here 6, here 7, here 9. Which is longest? 9 carbon. So you give the root word as a none. You give the root word as a none. This is the longest carbon chain rule. Number of chains are present in an organic molecule, but you can choose only longest carbon chain. You can choose only longest carbon chain. That is only we called as longest carbon chain rule. That is only we simply called as longest carbon chain rule. Then in continuation, we'll see the second rule, lowest numbering rule. Lowest numbering rule. It is also one of the important rules. Second rule, lowest numbering rule. Okay. Here I am taking one example. CH3, CH. Here Cl is there. CH2, CH3. This is one organic molecule. Give the numbering from left to right and right to left. Okay, I am giving first left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right to left. What lowest numbering rule says, the substance which should get the lowest number, the substance should get the lowest number while giving the numbering from left to right or right to left. That only we consider. That only we consider. While giving numbering from left to right, this chlorine containing carbon, chlorine attached carbon will get 2. Right to left, this carbon gets 3. So, which we consider? Here we consider only 2. That only says lowest numbering group. The functional group, the substance group, so substance attached, a functional group attached, a double bond, a triple bond, any. Okay, while giving numbering, should give lowest number to that one. That, okay, where is the right one? Okay, here, right, 2. This is substance. If chlorine substance is present in organic molecule, what we use? 2-chloro. And here, how many carbon atoms are there? 4 carbon atoms. 4 means root word. Next. Okay, after the root word, primary suffix. Is there any double bonds? Triple bond? No. So, write A. The IUPAC name of this molecule is 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. Okay, suppose I am giving one more example. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is the one more example. Here single bond is there, double bond is there. Double bond is the functional group, single bond is not functional. It is a different functional group. Okay, give the numbering from double bond side and single bond side, both sides. You give both sides. Here double bond is a different one. Here double bond is the different one. While giving left to right, double bond attached carbon get one position. While giving right to left, double bond carbon attached to third carbon atom. Double bond attached to third carbon atom. Which is lowest? 1 is lowest or 3 is lowest? 1 is lowest. So you mention 1. Okay, by writing name and number of position of the carbon atom, you separate with this dash. 1 dash. Okay. How many carbons are present here? 4 carbons. Butane and E. 1 butane. 1 butane. Okay, suppose for example, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. See here, it contains 2 methyl groups. These 2 are substance. These 2 are the methyl group. These 2 are substance. CH3 means methyl. It is a substance. Okay, give the numbering from 1, 2, 3, left to right. Here give numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here substance containing carbon, here second carbon, here fourth carbon. 2 plus 4, while giving numbering from left to right, 2 position and fourth position. Total 6. While giving right to left, okay, this methyl is attached to third position and here methyl is attached to fifth position, 8. Which is least, 6 or 8? 6 is the least. Okay, then follow left to right. Then follow left to right. Okay, if two groups are there, you follow like this. Sum the position of those groups left to right and while giving right to left. Which is least, then follow only that. Okay, while giving here from left to right, this carbon position is, this methyl presented second position. Here this methyl presented fourth position. 2 plus 4, 6. While giving from right to left, this methyl presented third position, this methyl presented fifth position. 5 plus 3, 8. Which is least? Left to right. The number is least. So follow left to right only, right. This is wrong. So what is the name of this molecule? Okay, what is the name of this molecule? Right. Methyl group is presented second position. Methyl group is presented second position. Okay, then one more methyl group is there. Right here, comma, 2, 3. Sorry, 2 and here 4. Methyl group is presented fourth position. 2, comma, 4. How many methyls are there? 2 methyls. If 2 methyls are present, we use di. 2 same groups are present, we use di. If 3 are present, we use tri. If 4 are present, tetra. If 5 are present, we use penta. Okay, 2 same groups are present in a molecule, we use di. Okay, if 3 same groups are present in a molecule, we use tri. If same groups are present in molecule, 4 same groups are present in molecule, we use tetra. 5 are there, we use penta. Here we have 2 same groups, same methyl groups, so I mentioned 2, 4. 2, 4. What are 2, 4? The positions of methyl groups. Okay, di. 2, 4. 2 methyl groups are there now, so I mentioned di. What is that? Methyl. 2, 4, dimethyl. And okay, how many carbons are there? We have only one chain. How many carbons are present in chain? 6 carbon atoms. So write X and no double bond, no triple bond. 2, 4, dimethyl hexane. The name of this molecule is 2, 4, dimethyl hexane. Okay, this is the second rule, lowest numbering rule. Lowest numbering rule. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the one more rule. Third rule. Okay, carbon molecule contain groups like this. Like this. Okay, here one carbon atom contain attached with the 2 same groups. Here also 2 same groups. First, okay, you select the longest carbon chain. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are there. So write pent. Any double bond is there? No. Ane. Right. Pentane. Finish. Okay, here I am writing pentane. Then give the numbering from left to right, right to left. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. See here, while giving left to right, this carbon gets second position, this carbon gets third position. 2 plus 3 5. While giving right to left, this carbon gets third position, this carbon gets fourth position, 7. Which is lowest number? This is lowest number. That means you should follow the left to right. Don't follow the right to left. Okay? Right to left. And how to write the? Just you follow this one, right? Left to right. How to write the methyl groups if same substance presented carbon, same carbon. Okay? How to write methyl groups or same substance presented one carbon atom? You tell position 2 times. Here methyl group is there, downside 2. Here also methyl group is there, 2 comma 2. How many methyl? One more is there. Third position also there, 3 and 3. 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, how many methyl groups are there? Tetramethyl. 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, tetramethyl. How many carbon atoms are there? 5 and 8. No double bond. Okay, so we called 8. Tetramethyl pentane. Then CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, okay, CH3. Okay, here C2H5 means this may be written like this, CH2, CH3. C2H5 means C2H5 may be written like this, CH2, CH3. So instead of C2H5, I am writing CH2, CH3. Okay, here first select the longest carbon chain. Which is the longest? If you do straight, if you select this one straight, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you select this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 carbon atoms, straight 6 carbon atoms. So you select which is longest. 7 carbon atom is the longest. So write here hept. No double bond. So write ane. And here give the number left side or right side. Okay, left to right or right to left. Okay, I am giving from right to left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At second position we have methyl group and fifth position we have methyl group. So write 2, 5 dimethyl 2, 5 dimethyl heptane. 2, 5 dimethyl heptane. You mention like that. Okay. Next in continuation, we'll see the one more rule. If carbon substance, non-carbon substance is there. If carbon substance and non-carbon substance is there, how will you give the number? Fifth rule, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, here CH2, CH, Cl, CH3. It is a carbon substance. It is non-carbon substance. Carbon substance and non-carbon substance are present at same position. You give the preference to carbon substance, then non-carbon. Preference means, okay, by rating numbering Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which is correct? Left to right is correct or right to left is correct? Okay, we are giving preference to carbon substrate means you should give the lowest number to carbon substrate. Should give the lowest number to carbon substrate. Okay, here from left to right is the right. Right to left is why? We should prefer the carbon functional group. We should prefer the carbon functional group or carbon substrate. So, right. And while writing the name of organic molecule, if it contains more than one substance, should follow the alphabetical order. Should follow the alphabetical order. See here, CH3, it is a methyl group. Chlorine, it is a chloro. Chloromethyl. Chloro start with C, methyl start with M. Which is first in alphabet? Chloro is the first. C is the first. So, chlorine is present at which position? Fourth position. So, write 4. Chloro, comma. Next, second position we have methyl. So write 2 methyl. How many carbons are present in state? Okay, how many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms. Pentane. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? 4-chloro-2-methyl pentane. 4-chloro-2-methyl pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, in continuation, for example, CH3, CHCl, CH2, CHOH, CH3 is there. Okay, chlorine is substance. OH group is functional group. Chlorine is prefix. OH group is functional group. If two are present in an organic molecule, should give the preference to functional group. That means give the number to the least number to that functional group. From left to right, right to left. Okay, here I am giving numbering left to right. Functional group containing carbon gets fourth position. While giving right to left, functional group carbon getting here second position. So which is correct? Second is correct. So we follow right to left, don't follow the left to right. Giving preference means give least number. Give least number to that one. So right. Okay, first write prefix. Which is prefix? Chlorine is the prefix. At which position? At fourth position. 4-chloro. This is the substance. What about the OH? It is a functional group. 4-chloro. 4-chloro. And here you mentioned functional group also. 4-chloro plus. Root what? How many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms. Pent. No double bond, no triple bond. A. And here OH group is present as a functional group. OH group present as a functional group. So you mentioned OL. At which position? Second position. 2-OL. While writing the complete name of this molecule, remove the E. 4-chloro pentane and 2-OL. This may be written like this: 4-chloro pent 2-pentanol. 4-chloro 2-pentanol. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. If functional group and substance is present, give the preference or least number to functional group. Then give the substance. If two substances are present, carbon substance, non-carbon substance are present in molecule, give the preference to carbon substituent, then give the preference to non-carbon substituent. That means here give the least number to carbon substituent, here give the least number to functional group. If an organic molecule contains two functional groups, if an organic molecule contains two functional groups, carbon functional group and non-carbon functional group, what we need to okay, here CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH2, COOH. Okay, this is the carbon functional group, this is the non-carbon functional group. If an organic molecule contains carbon functional group, this is the carbon functional group, this is non-carbon functional group. Non-carbon functional group. If carbon functional group and non-carbon functional groups are present in organic molecule, give the preference to carbon functional group. And should remember, every molecule has only one functional group. Remaining we consider as a suffix. So remaining we consider as a prefix or substance. That means here this molecule contains COOH group, it is a carbon functional group, and OH, it is a non-carbon functional group. OH is non-carbon functional group. Okay, should give the numbering from carbon functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here OH should be now carboxylic acid only functional group. Okay, OH is considered as substrate. Now OH is considered as substrate. Now this OH is considered as substrate. Substrate means you write the position of OH. OH is present at fourth position. Okay, fourth position means if it is substance, we use hydroxy. We use hydroxy. 4-hydroxy. How many carbon atoms are there here? 5 carbon. Pent. No double bond. In. And here, if carboxylic acid functional group is present in an organic molecule, we use oleic acid. While writing complete name, we call it 4-hydroxy. 4-hydroxy pentanonic acid. 4-hydroxy pentanonic acid. Okay, if non-carbon and carbon functional groups are present, we should give the least number to carbon functional group, and remaining functional groups considered as functional group or substance, all are considered as a just substance. Just substance. Okay, in continuation, we'll see that if carbon molecule contains two carbon functional group, how will you give the numbering? From left to right or right to left? Okay, you should follow this order. Order of functional groups. Order of functional group. Okay, first you give the priority to the carboxylic acid, then ester. This is the carboxylic acid, this is the ester. Then give the acid chlorides, then give the preference to the amides. First give the preference to carboxylic acid, then second one esters, third one acid chloride. This is acid chloride. Fourth one give amides. Okay, then after the amides, okay, give the preference to cyanides. After the cyanide, give the preference to aldehydes. After the aldehyde, give the preference to ketones. ketones. After the ketone, give the preference to alcohols. After the alcohol, give the preference to ethers. After the ethers, give the preference to amines. Amines. After the amines, give the preference to carbon-carbon double bond molecule. After the carbon-carbon double bond molecule, give the preference to carbon-carbon triple bond molecule. Okay, that is the carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, first, this is the more priority group. If carboxylic acid present in any organic molecule, you should start with the carboxylic acid only. Remaining we consider as a substance. Here carboxylic acid is there, aldehyde is present. Carboxylic acid, give the preference to carboxylic acid while it is present in order of the functional group which is given by IUPAC system. Okay, give the preference to this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then this becomes substrate. Here it is a function. What is the name of this molecule? At third position we have aldehyde function group, so write it. This is substrate now, so you mention formyl. Already I gave, if it acts as a substance, what we write here? Already I gave you data in the previous videos. 3 formyl, and here butanoic acid. 3 formyl butanoic acid. The name of this organic molecule is 3-formyl butanoic acid. Okay, if double bond and triple bond is there, carbon-carbon double bond, triple bond. Okay, double bond and triple bond is there. Double bond is more preferable group than triple bond. So give the numbering from double bond side. 1, 2, 3, 4. First carbon to double bond, this is only right. Don't give 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Okay, these are the some important rules. Okay, for the writing of an organic molecule, and this is the preference order, priority order. Okay, all rules. Okay. For example, one more rule is there. I will explain in that rule. Okay. 32 minutes. If same substance are present, that means carbon. Here fluorine is there, here chlorine is there. It is substance, it is also substance. How will you give the number? Okay, if you give number from 1 left to right, okay, chlorine gets second position, fluorine gets fourth position. If we give number from right to left, fluorine gets second position, fluorine gets fourth position, which is correct. Then compare the electronegativity of these two atoms. Fluorine always more electronegative than fluorine. Fluorine always more electronegative than fluorine. So follow right to left only, not follow left to right. So what is the name of this one? 2-fluoro and 4-fluoro. 4-fluoro molecule. How many carbons? 5 carbons. Pent. 2-fluoro, 4-fluoro. Writing like this. Okay, here. This is not alphabetical order. Just write 4-fluoro and 2-fluoro. Pentane. This is about the rules for the writing of names of an organic molecule. Thank you.